Okay, with that dramatic introduction. So first thing I want to do is just ask a couple of questions. How many people here were at either of my two previous presentations? Okay, well, a few. Okay, I'm sorry, but we're going to cover some things. But that's good, because I just wanted to make sure I'm not too repetitive here. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm John Fowler, Executive Vice President of Systems. Systems today is the combination of server, networking, and storage products at Sun. And I'm going to spend a little time talking about that convergence and why we put those groups together. And then I'm going to turn it over to John Benson to go into a great deal more specifics about storage and the storage product roadmap. So hopefully that's what you're here for. We'll try to be scintillating. So first of all, in terms of why are we putting these groups together, at Sun we fundamentally believe that in order to build the next generation computing infrastructure, there's going to be changes in terms of how people actually engineer products, where you don't actually have the separate and artificial distinctions between what constitutes the networking components, what constitutes the storage components, and what constitutes server components. You'll actually engineer these together because you can get to dramatic increases in efficiency and scale, as well as produce something that actually works together, can be managed and used more effectively. In my last session, we actually talked about what we call the Sun Constellation System, which is certainly a high-level proxy for how we do this, which brings together compute, networking, and storage together in a single homogeneous capability for high-performance computing. But there are many other small areas where putting together networking, compute, and storage actually are effective. In doing the reorganization, we've now brought together the engineers that know.
During the course of today's presentations, we'll be making projections and other forward-looking statements regarding expected future financial results and business opportunities. Our actual future results may be very different from our current expectations. We encourage you to read the 10Ks and 10Qs that we file periodically with the SEC. These documents contain a discussion of the risks facing our business, including factors that could cause these forward-looking statements not to come true. We do not currently intend to update these forward-looking statements. In addition, during the course of the conference, we may describe certain non-GAAP financial measures, which should be considered in addition to and not in lieu of comparable GAAP financial measures. For the most directly comparable GAAP financial measures and related reconciliations, please refer to the slides posted on the Sun Analyst Summit 2008 page and the earnings call financial slides and operations analysis, all of which can be found on the investor relations section of our website at sun.com/investors.